Just bought a new 2019 Dodge Ram with the sport package. So far I love the truck. I looked at the new Chevy Trail Boss, the Ford, and honestly, for what you get for your money, you can't compare it to the Dodge. I didn't get the 12-inch screen this time. I probably will next time. I got the 8.4 Uconnect with navigation and the Panoramic Sunroof, which I love. I've had it about 4 days now, and I'm still learning things about this truck that I didn't realize when I bought it. So anyways, here's my first review. I've already got my cloaking holster, which came out of my GMC and is now in my new Ram. Alien gear, I do recommend that. It's an awesome holster. And I'm also going to be doing a mount for my radar detector and a hardwire into the rearview mirror, which will probably be my next video. But guys and gals, so far, awesome truck. That 5.7, you can't beat it. I had tons of problems with my GMC. Bought my GMC, took it home, 286 miles, the engine blew up. So I hadn't even made my first week with the truck, and it spent a month in the shop. And I had to threaten GMC with the lemon law in order for them to fix it. So at like day 29, I got it back. At 5,000 miles, it blew up again. And then various other reasons why it was in the shop off and on. So after 3 years, got rid of it and got myself a real man's truck. So hope you like it. Look for my next videos, like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.